Hi guys, Ian here. Wow, did I get some good news yesterday? As some of my friends and followers know that Carol and myself, we moved into a flat around about 7 months ago, and we weren't allowed to take our dog, which was very sad, but we needed to get somewhere to live, because as a lot of my followers know, we lived in a caravan that was in the middle of a field at a friend's house, which was fantastic, because I could have my dog. So we moved to this flat where we couldn't have the dog, and my son, he started looking after her, and well, put a long story short, she molts a bit and there was air everywhere in their house, so we set about looking for somewhere else to live. Sadly, we can't find anywhere else to live, not that we'll accept dogs. So I had a word with the landlady and said I might have to move out, and she asked why. Anyway, another long story short, she says, go on, you can have your dog on trial. So, Sheba, come and say hello to the peoples. Yeah, so I've got my dog back, and I'm as happy as sponge, because that's a good excuse for me to come out and walk about, stretch my old legs. Yep, so I'm really happy. This is the first time she's been over here. Isn't it, Sheep, hey? She's a gorgeous dog. A lot of my followers know that she's a Romanian rescue dog that we've had about 5 years now, I think, something like that. I'm no. If a policeman asked me what I did yesterday, I've no idea. Ask the wife. So you'd have to ask the wife when we had her, but we got her from a rescue centre in Derby, and they've since moved from there, but they rescued her from Romania up in the mountains, and she was in a lay-by with her parents. Go on then, you go toilet and I'll pick it up. It should be the other way around, you savage. But there you go. Parents, Sheba, this one, and a brother. And he got run over, sadly, while they were trying to catch him by one of the lorries, which was really sad, because I bet he was a beauty. Because she's a good looking dog, aren't you? Hey, you want to cuddle? Come on then. She's a good girl. She's a good looking dog, aren't you? Right. So, I got me dog back. That's the main thing.